guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica, and in today's video, I ended up getting 2 items on this thrifting trip, but I'm going to share them in a later haul because they are going to be Christmas gifts for Hannah, so I don't want to spoil the surprise, but I am going to show you all of the interesting things I saw while I was out thrifting. Hopefully this will inspire you to go out and thrift and see what you can find. thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next video.